Wait till you close the door. What's up, my beloveds? Y'all, guess who's in the building? It's Eat With Q.
Oh my gosh, you guys, hi. I made it. Look, we're here.
You're here.
I have the beloved Smackalicious seafood
sauce. You like
Oh my god.
Yes.
Oh my god.
Yes.
Oh my god.
Yes. So good to me. I love it.
Delicious.
Girl, I can't wait to eat that corn.
Oh, you waiting for the corn? Oh, you waiting for the corn? Oh, you waiting for the corn?
I forgot what the cartoon that was, but when I see you, dang girl, he got. She don't like, dang girl, he got. She don't, dang girl, he got. She don't give it the
It's
break.
so good. Yes, we are. I cannot wait.
Definitely. Let's just get along. Let's do this thing and get this money on time. At any rate, I am going to peace out this piece.
Because we got so much fun.
Out
Yes.
this piece.
Because we got so much fun.
We got so much fun.
Another video. I love you guys so much. Don't forget to stay safe, stay blessed. Peace.
Mwah.
Peace, love, and hair grease. Peace, love, and hair grease.
Mwah.
Peace, love, and hair grease.